I'm privileged to welcome our chief guest of today's seminar, Mr. S. Rakesh Kumar, IFS Director, Department of Ecology, Environment and Remote Sensing, Jammu and Kashmir. It's my pleasure, sir, to introduce our chief guest who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. S. Rakesh Kumar, sir, has done MSc in Environmental, given the honor by HRD Ministry to the post of Director in Cabinet Secretariat, New Delhi, and also in Ministry of Rural Dignitaries, respected faculty members, to welcome our chief guest with a warm round of applause. I am glad to respectfully and cordially welcome our worthy principal ma'am, our esteemed principals of various colleges, our former principals, our respected special guests, our respected faculty members who are here with us on this national seminar, our faculty members and fellow students, to welcome our esteemed dignitaries with a warm round of
अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। सा पा म पा म ग रे गा नि धा नि धा म पा। सा पा म पा म ग रे गा नि। गीत तुझसे हर गीत तुझसे, तू स्वर की देवी तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे हम हैं। तेरी शरण में हमेशा रहे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, हे शारदे।
Sharma, Principal, Government Degree College, Bilawar. Professor Seema Mir, Principal, Government Degree College, Kathua. In behalf of Government Degree College for Women, Kathua, I feel honoured to welcome our resource persons, Dr. Harish Chandra Dutt, Senior Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, University of Jammu, Dr. Central University of Jammu, Dr. Prasenjit Acharya, Assistant Professor, Vidyasagar University, West Bengal, and Dr. Harvinder Kaur Khera, Research Scientist, Tata Institute for Genetics and Society, Bangalore. Netha Singh, Professor Asaram Sharma, Dr. P.K. Rao, Dr. M.S. Pathania, Dr. Chhatrapati Sharma, and participants from the presidency over G2 Summit and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Cannot get through a single day without having any sort of impact on the world around you. Climate change is the change in the climate that persists for decades or longer, arising from either natural causes or anthropogenic activities. It is the shift of weather patterns and conditions which not only affect the current global climatic scenarios but leaves an everlasting impact for the future generations to see. Earth is sometimes called the Goldilocks planet as its condition is neither too hot nor too cold but just right to allow life to sustain. This is due to natural greenhouse effect which keeps the planet at a friendly temperature, that is a temperature which is suitable not only for the human beings but also a plethora of plants and animals. Ever since evolution has taken place, humans are continuously using nature for their benefits. Certain activities add an enormous amount of greenhouse gases, contributing to an increase in their amount and ultimately causing global warming. Climate change and disaster risk reduction are closely linked. More extreme weather events in future are likely to increase the number and scale of disasters, while at the same time, the existing methods and tools of disaster risk reduction provide capacities for adaptation to climate change. Climate change can increase disaster risk by altering the frequency and intensity of hazard events, affecting vulnerability to hazards and changing exposure patterns. Although the precise impact of climate change is not certain, and it is important to be aware that not all areas will be impacted in the same way. Projected impacts of climate change that will derive disaster risk include sea level rise, wildfires, infectious diseases, cyclones, storms, flooding, hot temperature, loss of species, poverty and displacement, and many more. Disasters triggered by natural hazards and escalating climate change have a serious impact and threaten economic and social development of
Dr. Arita Sharma Madam, Principal, Government Degree College, Bilawar.
Ma'am, सामने.
I request Professor Seema Mir Madam, Principal, Government Degree College, Kathua.
Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, सामने देखो.
Please welcome Dr. Netha Singh sir.
Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, सामने. Ma'am, सामने.
Representatives and dear students, a very good afternoon to all. On behalf of Government Degree College for Women Kathua, I, Ashwini Khajuria, extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for gracing us with your presence and making the inaugural session a grand success. Your support and encouragement have been the driving force that has made this occasion possible. We are deeply honored to have chief guest. I hope he is still online. Otherwise also, Shri Rakesh S. Kumar, IFS, Director, Department of Ecology and Remote Sensing, JNK, who was with us today and who has taken time out of his busy schedule and great value to this event, ma'am. We were noticing all the colleges are having female principals, including Basoli also. But I would also like to extend my sincere appreciation to retired principals, especially Dr. Netar Singh, Dr. P.K. Rao, he had to leave for some urgent work, Dr. M.S. Pathania, Professor Ramurthy Sharma and Dr. Chhatrapati Sharma, who have graced us with their presence. Sir, your presence has inspired us to keep striving for excellence. Our speaker, Dr. Harsh Chandradar, who is still online, Senior Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, University of Jammu, has been great source of inspiration and motivation for all of us and support to make this event possible. I cannot miss to mention special thanks to our students. We say students are the souls of colleges who work tirelessly with the faculty members in organizing this national seminar. A big applause for the students. Yeah. I would also like to extend our gratitude to members of print and electronic media who have covered this event and help us to spread the word about this occasion. Your support has been invaluable to us. Finally, I would like to thank our compeer, Dr. Deepti Salotra, who hosted this event successfully. Once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you for making this event a grand success. We hope to continue receiving your support in future endeavor.
बताएंगे आज के कार्यक्रम के बारे में।
आज गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज का वुमेन कठुआ में हमने एक सेमिनार ऑर्गेनाइज किया है टू कमेमोरेट G20 इंडियन प्रेसिडेंसी ओवर G20 आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव और विजन लाइफ, जिसमें 110 पूरे भारत के अलग अलग स्टेट से रजिस्टर किया है, स्कॉलर्स ने, साइंटिस्ट ने, टीचर्स ने, प्रोफेसर्स ने, और वो अपने व्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं। आज का एक जो बहुत बर्निंग टॉपिक है, जो हमारे G20 का भी है, क्लाइमेट चेंज, उसके ऊपर बहुत से लोग अपने विचार जो है वो प्रकट करेंगे, अपनी रिसर्च हम लोगों तक पहुंचाएंगे। और गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज ऑफ वुमेन ने ये प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया है डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट को, रिसर्चर्स को अपने आइडियाज़ इन थीम्स पे, जैसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो गई, क्लाइमेट चेंज हो गया, एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन, ग्रीन एनर्जी, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, इस पे वो अपने व्यूज़, अपनी रिसर्च अपने जो है वो प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे। और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ अपनी पूरी टीम के लिए जिन्होंने इस इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया, और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आगे भी फ्यूचर में हम ऐसे ही इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करें।